That was my $1 million play. Bro, that's crazy, cuz. We got the NVIDIA. I just had a moment. Okay. Don't cut that part. Let the people see that I had a moment. All right, fam. So today, as promised, we gonna walk through the options account. I told y'all every week, man, I'm gonna show y'all the account. I don't have a problem with it. We made some progress from the last one for sure. We had a rough week where we went through a couple days, probably like a week of just downtime in the market, and that was cool. And we're gonna get to it, y'all. We're gonna show y'all what we got going on. We're gonna show y'all the positions I got. And y'all can walk through it, man. Again, that's a part of me just being transparent. And showing y'all what we doing. You know, again, I keep saying it. I don't know. I guess y'all want my social security number and my blood type for y'all to think it's real. But this is an actual account, so I don't know what to tell y'all. It's real money for the people that's rocking with me. Y'all know how I get down. Y'all know I move with integrity. So let's go. As we can see, you know, we can look right here. You know, today we up 38,000. I don't know why I don't see it right now, but unrealized gains, we at 1.1. I've taken out so far probably about 400. So I think all together this year we've printed about 1.5 million. Of course, the 400,000 is realized. The 1.1 is not realized. And for those who don't understand what that means, when you realize the gain or loss, that means you've pressed the sell button. Essentially, that's what it is. When it's unrealized, that means the money is still in motion. So think about it like that. The money's still in motion, so it's still in the market. It can go up or down. That's an unrealized gain. Realized gains is when you press that sell button, you took that money out the market and you put it in your account. So for me, what I like to do is I don't like to take none of my money and make it like in my pocket. So I like to say we take profits and turn them into positions. And so the goal for me is to keep expanding my positions, keep buying new positions, keep on expanding my holdings, meaning, you know, going from 10 contracts to 15 contracts to 20 contracts, so we can produce $1 million from one trade. And then the ultimate goal, one of the ultimate goals for me on my goal list is to be trading $500,000 to $1 million every time I get in the play. And the reason behind that is, man, a lot of people, you know, again, I started the options account with $400,000 in total. And one of the things also you're going to see me doing here is show y'all the percentages. And I think that's the most important thing that I want us to pay attention to, and not just paying attention to the dollar amount. Because if I have $100,000 and I get 100%, and you got $2,000 and you get 100%, we've both flipped our money, right? If you got $10,000 and you get 100%, and I got $100,000, if somebody got $1 million and they get 100%, and I got $10,000 and I get 100%, we've both flipped our money. And so the goal is to keep flipping our money, because money is a numbers game. And I like to show the numbers because I don't want people to be intimidated by it, and I want y'all to see that it's real. It's possible. I think we live in a game, and there's nothing against nobody, but everybody are, you know, hitting for the 5,000 or 2,000 and showing that, and that's cool. I love it. But I won't show y'all big boy stuff. I won't show y'all, but it's little compared to bigger traders in the game. You think about somebody like Bill Ackman, who lost 400 million. He looking at me and my account like, boy, that ain't nothing. You know what I'm saying? You look at somebody like, you know, Buffett, you know, fifth richest man in the world. Somewhere up in there. I may be right or wrong somewhere. I know he maybe the third, fourth richest man in the world, somewhere up in there. But I want y'all to look at me and be like, all right, shit, if Trap can do it, if I just keep scaling my positions, I can do what Trap doing. And it maybe exceed me. I want you to be better than me. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm not that person. Like, I ain't trying to pigeonhole nobody. Right? It's unlimited game, unlimited potential. So our first play is AMAT. Today, this play is down 1.6%. So it's down $600. You can see what I pay. Of course, y'all, these plays are old. And when I mean old, like I've been in the AMAT play probably a month now, maybe. You know what I'm saying? So, of course, the price is going to be different if you look at them now. You know, my plays are old. Like, not old like years, but you know what I'm saying? So, anyway, let's go. So, we got 25 contracts on the AMAT. Today, we down $687. Total gain so far is $13. Which is 28%. So that's that. You can see the Amazon play. I don't know what happened. I guess the market did something just now because I'm showing y'all the account live. So Amazon, as you can see, we are up today 2.42%. It made $900 today. Total gain is 26,000. I'm up 237%. We got 8 contracts now. Now you know we took half of that because we were up. Once I go past 100%, we go up on that. I got this AVGO play for 1430. It's down. I got 2 of them. Let me tell y'all, it was crazy. The 1430 was a mistake. I was going for the 1380 call and I pressed the 1480 by mistake, 1430 by mistake. And once I realized, I was like, damn. But I wasn't mad at it. I just let it play out. It's gonna do what it's gonna do. But it's down 3% right now, both of them. The 1380 and the 1430. That's $1,000 on each one of them. Total, I'm down $13 on the 1430. I'm down 3,000 on that. One is down 27%. One is down 10 cents. But this September and October calls, so we all right for that. Most of my calls probably gonna be 6-month calls, 8-month calls, 10-month calls, 12-month calls. So that's just how I play the game, man. Next, we got CrowdStrike. As y'all can see, we got 15 contracts of that. It's up 225%. I'm sorry, made $225 a day. It's up 26,000, up 49%. I haven't shaved nothing off because I haven't hit my 100% mark, so we good right there. Fastenal was my latest play. It's down 12%, down $7,000. It's down $12,000, down $7,000 a day. So I guess industrial's taking a beating today, down 18% on that call. It fought back for me last week, broke even, went crazy. We liked it, we enjoyed it. For some reason, it just, I don't know, it's fighting. So we all right with that. Next, we got our Google play. We got 2 of those Google plays. We got a June 21st and a September the 20th play. Both of those were up last week. They kind of down right now. This down 7%. It's down 14%. We are down $1,000 on each one. Okay. Well, this Google play, we up 71%. All right. So that's for today. We up 71% on the July call. On the June call, we up $7,000. We have 9 of those contracts, up 71%, up $7,000. We like that. I got those Google calls really, really cheap. The September call is down 6%. I'm okay with that. Then we got our Eli Lilly call. So for today, it's up 3%. Today's gain, that's $3,000. In total, the Eli Lilly call is up $47,000, 70%. So we good on that. Again, I haven't reached my 100% mark, so I'm not going to touch it. I got 2 meta plays in, one in April, one in June. I really should be getting out of this April play right now. I should be getting out of that play. As you can see, we up 493% on one, 360% on the other one, 63,000. I done actually took half of these a couple times. And I told you that before. Once I get 100%, I take half. 200%, I shed a little more. 300%, I shed a little more, as you can see. So we killing it on that. What else we got, y'all? I'm just walking y'all through the portfolio. Listen, I'm in 22 plays. The thing about me being in 22 plays is this goes against all option players, like orthodox option trading, because nobody would be in 22 plays right now. But it's just me playing the game different. Then we got our Netflix call. We have a September 20th on a Netflix, 2024. As the day is down $100. We have 5 contracts. We had 10. We sold half. We up 158%. We like that. If I can get that to 200%, I'll probably sell 2 more. Sell 2 more of it. We up 48,000 on that. We got these NVIDIA calls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 NVIDIA calls we in. We have a May 7th, 410 call. We've been in that for, and none of these were bought in the money. All of these calls were bought out the money. We've been in them for a while. Damn, this was my $1 million play, bro. Look at that NVIDIA call up 832%. God. That was my $1 million play. God darn it, man. God darn it, man. All right, so we got an NVIDIA. Bro, that's crazy, cuz. We got the NVIDIA. Ah! I just had a moment on camera. Don't cut that part, B. Let the people see that. I had a moment. All right, so we got the NVIDIA May 17 call. All of these calls are brought out the money. They've worked. I don't mind sitting in the call 3-4 months like that. So anyway, we got the NVIDIA call. We got the May 17th. We got the June 21st. We got the August 16th. We got the December 20th, and we got the January 17th. We have a 500, and we have a 410, a 465, a 360, a 1,000, and an 800 call. So let's just talk about them. So as you can see today, one printed 3%, 3%, and depending on the date and the delta, they change. They vary on what they're doing. So let's see. The 14 call did 5,000 a day. The June 21 call did 6,000 a day. Look at this 630 call because I got 20 of them. This was the one I want to be my, I want that one to be my $1 million play. I need that one to be my $1 million play. That's the one I say can be my $1 million play. Now, I haven't touched it. I'm lying. I had 22 contracts to this one. I took 2 contracts and sold it and bought this call right here. I bought this 880 call. So that's what I did. And there's NVIDIA play, and there's one right here that's up. This one right here where I had 20 contracts. It's August 16 call. This was my biggest play ever. What I did was I had 22. I thought I had 25, but I had 22 contracts. Maybe a week ago when NVIDIA was down, I sold 2 of these contracts and I bought this January 880 call. Yeah, we did that. And I'm not mad at that. So let's see. We got this one is up 830. That was my $1 million play, dog. That was the $1 million play. Damn. Anyway, so we done ate off this like 5 times. I'm not gonna lie. Then we got another June call, up 585%. We got the August 16, 360 call, up 367%. We got the 1,000 call. I haven't touched it yet. The 1,000 call is up 44,000. It made 9,000 a day. It's up 50%. And we got the 880 call. It made 12,000 a day. It's up. Total game is 12,000. It made 2,000 a day, so it's up 36%. Excuse me. Sometimes I may mix up because I'm looking at green and numbers, so I may mix up a little bit. We got our QQQ call, September 2024. It's a 429 call. Total gain 10,000. We have 36%. We got the SMH call, which has really done good for us. We've took half of that. We had 10. It's up 267%. I'm down on my Uber call, 3%. I'm up. I gave this call on Instagram Live for free, XLK, 220, September 20th, 2024. 210 call is up $1,000, $1,200, up 16%. I put that call on Instagram Live. And we got our XLY call is down. That's it. So that's our plays. We're in 22 plays right now. I was actually in 24 because we had 2 more other plays that we sold. We was in 24 because I sold. I had another AVGO play. I wrote it down. I was up 327%. You can see the last portfolio. So we was actually in 23 plays. And I had one more NVIDIA play that we sold. So that would have been what, 22, 23. We was in 25 plays altogether. So we killed it on those. So here's the portfolio. We about to hit 3 million on this. We probably at the account is probably at 200 and let's see, the count right now is at bam. We had 2.9. We had 2.9 million. Actually, I'll let y'all go see this other account too. All right, so right here's my recession portfolio. So these are my buy and hold accounts. As you can see, again, we are beating the market right now. We up 29% year to date. on this account, 166 grand printed. That's why I love for us to play this game. I feel like this game is the #1 way to build your wealth over long periods of time, and people just don't play it. So let's look at it, y'all. We got Costco. This is one of my favorites. It's up 11% year to date. E&Me is a sleeper that people don't know about. It's up 17%. Got 175 contract. FICO is one of the ones that sleepers people don't know about. It's up 3%. Eli Lilly up 26%. Meta up 44%. NVIDIA up 97%. And VTRX. I got one more play I'm going to add to that. I like it. So watch. Make sure y'all watch this so I can show y'all my next play when y'all see it. But this is my buy and hold account. This is my options account. Listen, you can catch it live each and every week on Trapping Tuesdays. Each and every Tuesday, catch it 7 p.m. Eastern time on the Wallstreet Looks Like Us Now Network on YouTube, y'all. I'm always excited when I see this because I be wanting y'all to look at this and see it's possible. That's not me in the chat trying to sell you nothing Bitcoin, nothing crypto. That ain't me down there, so don't fall for it. I can't help you if you do it. But man, let's go. I will see y'all next week. This is the play. We almost at $3 million, y'all. We almost at $3 million, and I'm super excited about that. We are 89,000 away from $3 million, man. So it's your boy, the Wall Street Trapper, man. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Nobody ain't showing y'all their portfolio like this, man. Salute.